So this week I've got some new wires, new ignition coil, new turnstile key ignition, new points, new condenser, some new plug wires, and a new plug going to my distributor along with some indicator lights. So we're going to replace the points in the distributor, gap them, replace the condenser, and then we are going to replace the ignition coil as well. Hook all of this up, and hopefully that will get this thing running. So now we're going to take the new ignition coil, replace the old one, identify the positive and negative on here, and have the negative go to the new condenser we just installed, positive go to the electronic choke on the carburetor, and then the other side will go to our ignition switch. So let's get this replaced. So let's see if you can hear the difference. This old one, how it sounds clunky, where this one sounds like it's full of fluid. Alright, so I got all the wiring finished up. Now I'm just going to connect it to my switch here, and hopefully we can get this thing started. So I'm going to have the starter going to this going to the ignition coil, the oil pressure light and alternator light going to this, and we won't have any lights hooked up currently, but let's see if we can get this working. it's running now, but you can almost hear it pulling in air. And this is incredibly cold out here. This belt's a little wonky, so I might need it replaced. But hey, we finally got it started, so now we can start moving on to the other stuff. As always, like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions for me, let me know, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks. So one last thing I wanted to add was that I came back out later that day and tried to start it, and it would just click inside the starter. So I took the starter apart and cleaned out the solenoid side, and then the big headache was this thing was just packed full of sand, and this is the lever that helps initiate that gear forward to engage with the flywheel. So once I cleaned that up, everything started going perfect. So like always, like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.